Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So today it's a very windy day, about 50 to 60 kilometers per hour, and it's been gloomy like I mentioned in my last video for the last few days. So I thought, why not to head out and ride and see how the GoldWing performs on a windy day, when it's crosswinds and gloomy and everything you can say. So let's get started. So this road past this traffic light leads into Halton Hill. It's an area where typically you do, because you're going upwards up the mountain, you experience a lot of wind. So I thought, I was thinking and planning, where should I ride to witness or to experience I would say the most wind while riding the GoldWing. So I said, okay, let's go north first and then north to south to experience both directions. This way I'll be able to experience the crosswind as well while going up the hill and test ride it. Right now I'm at about 100 kilometers per hour speed. I can feel a little bit of wind. My windshield is fully up, so that's helping me not to feel anything on my face or helmet, but I can feel a little bit of crosswind. So I am also going to experiment something. I'm going to lower the windshield a little bit, keeping the same speed of 100, and let's try doing that. Okay, so lowering it up to my eye level, I would say now. And yeah, once I lower it, I do feel a lot of wind. I feel that my helmet is shaking, and I should be putting the visor down, and that's what I did. Typically I have the visor up when my windshield is all the way up, and I'm able to ride it without any issues. But I thought, okay, you know what, let's experiment different things in different wind conditions, because not everyone has the touring windshield on the GoldWing. So I know there are many other better ones out there. Mine is the OEM windshield that I got with the GoldWing, just for reference sake. And what I'll do now is I'll lower it completely. Okay, so once I lower it, there's a lot of wind noise that I can hear, and definitely a lot more crosswind. So the windshield definitely makes a huge difference, I would say, while riding. So I typically don't feel the wind at all, because my windshield is fully retracted all the way up, and but yeah, there's a lot of wind. So just as you can see, there's a bend coming up. This is a bend typically which is open. It's right on top of the hill, and we should be able to feel how the wind is. So I'll just accelerate a little bit. The road speed is 80. I don't want to go way too much over the speed limit. Okay. Yeah, so this is with the windshield all the way down, and I'm feeling a lot of wind on my shoulders, on my helmet, and let's try putting it all the way up and then riding it. Okay, so as soon as I extended the windshield all the way up, I don't feel the wind on my shoulders anymore, nothing on my helmet, and it's pretty good now. But to be honest with you, in terms of crosswinds, very nice. I don't feel anything at all. Let's ride back south again, backwards, and see how it is. So we'll take a turn from this traffic light and then see how it is riding back south again. Alrighty, so let's ride back south again and see how it feels. So I'll lower the windshield again. Windshield lower again, all the way fully lowered. Okay, I feel a lot of wind on my helmet. Let's accelerate a little bit more to feel how it is. Wow, it's a huge difference. Yep, a lot of wind on my helmet, a lot of wind on my shoulders, and definitely you do feel a lot of wind. Beautiful view though, so I'm not sure if you're able to see in the camera or not, but okay, I raised the windshield again and I'll accelerate a little bit more here at the curve, because since it's a hill, typically this is the place where you feel a lot of wind. And wow, what a wind difference the windshield makes. Seems like I've forgotten, since I started riding the GoldWing, how it feels riding on a windy day. But I feel the GoldWing performs flawlessly. I'm going downhill, there's a lot of crosswind that's there. Going down south on this, a lot of crosswind. I can feel it on my hand if I'm raising my hand, how heavy the wind is, but the windshield is the one that's protecting it, and I don't feel anything on my face or helmet, and my visor is open right now. That's how I typically ride. But yeah, with the crosswind as well, I feel you don't feel anything. Very, very good. Very happy with the performance for today, and especially that it's a wind of 50 to 60 kilometers per hour today, and I'm riding at 100 kilometers per hour. That's in miles at about it's showing me about 65 miles, so about 65 miles. The road speed was 80. I went a little bit over the speed limit, not more than that, as I wanted to follow the rules as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Feel free to write in the comments below if you have ridden before in heavy winds, a GoldWing or any other motorcycle, and what are your thoughts on it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and the notification icon so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.